How would you take an electric bike to the beach or up to the mountains? Fold it and take it with you. I'm Lisa from eBiking Today, and today we'll be unfolding the benefits of 3 foldable electric bikes. Whether you're navigating the bustling city streets, planning a weekend getaway in your RV, or simply looking for a bike that fits neatly into your living space, folding e-bikes offer an unbeatable blend of convenience and performance. In today's special episode, we're delving into the wonderful world of folding e-bikes. Today, I'll introduce you to 3 stellar models that are not just about saving space. They're about enhancing your riding experience. So, buckle up, and let's unfold the magic of these compact yet powerful rides. First on our list is the Ride1Up Portola. At a glance, this folding e-bike impresses with its sleek design and powerful performance. The 750-watt motor is a standout feature, offering smooth and rapid acceleration, perfect for those quick city commutes or leisurely park rides. Its versatile speed settings are adjustable from Class 1 to 3. The pedal assist can push you up to speeds of up to 28 miles an hour, with the throttle hitting the Class 2 speeds of 20 miles an hour. This makes the Portola a suitable companion for various environments, from relaxed bike paths to more demanding urban terrains. But it's not just the power that makes the Portola shine. Its folding mechanism is a marvel of engineering, quick, simple, and secure, making it ideal for apartment dwellers or those with limited storage space. And when it comes to safety, the dual-piston hydraulic brakes provide the stopping power you need, giving you confidence in any situation. Plus, let's talk comfort. The Portola's saddle and handlebar adjustments mean you can tailor the bike to your perfect fit, ensuring a comfortable ride every time. And despite its robust features, the bike's lightweight design makes it a breeze to transport, whether you're carrying it upstairs or loading it into a car. The Portola isn't just a folding e-bike. It's a folding powerhouse that doesn't compromise on performance. Next, let's take a ride with the Himiway Horizon, a folding e-bike that's as stylish as it is functional. This limited sunset color edition is more than just a head-turner. It's built to satisfy the adventurer in you. I appreciate the Horizon's 1200-watt peak motor for an extra burst of speed when I need it, and it effortlessly propels you over various terrains smoothly. Its full suspension system is a standout, offering unparalleled comfort and control on off-road adventures. But the Horizon's brilliance goes beyond its rugged capabilities. Its folding design is ingeniously crafted for ease and convenience, allowing you to transform it from a robust trailblazer to a compact package in seconds. This makes it an ideal travel companion, ready to explore new destinations or fit snugly in your RV. The Horizon's attention to detail is evident in its components. The hydraulic brakes provide precise and reliable stopping power, essential when navigating unpredictable off-road conditions. The 24x4-inch fat tires add another layer of versatility, ensuring stability and grip on diverse surfaces. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or a city rider who loves an occasional escape to nature, the Himiway Horizon is a folding e-bike that promises adventure without limits. Our final highlight is another Himiway beauty, the Himiway Mars 2.0, a model that redefines what a folding e-bike can be. This isn't just a space saver. It's a versatile performer that caters to a wide range of riders, With its upgraded 1200-watt motor, the Mars 2.0 offers exhilarating speed and robust power, making it perfect to tackle fast-paced terrains or an enjoyable ride on a forest trail. The Mars 2.0's folding mechanism is a feat of design magic, combining ease of use with stability. You can quickly transform it from a full-sized e-bike to a compact form, making it perfect for those with limited storage or who frequently travel. Its 4-inch fat tires are a rare find on a folding bike, providing exceptional traction and stability, whether you're cruising on urban roads or exploring off-beaten paths. But what truly sets the Mars 2.0 apart is its adaptability. The adjustable handlebar caters to riders of various heights, ensuring a comfortable and ergonomic riding position. The spring suspension fork with preload adjustment enhances your off-road experience, absorbing shocks and smoothing out bumpy rides. And for those who value practicality, the enhanced rear rack offers ample cargo space, making the Mars 2.0 ideal for everything from daily commutes to weekend adventures. The Himiway Mars is not just another folding e-bike. It's a testament to the possibilities of modern e-bike design, combining power, versatility, and convenience in a package that's hard to resist. As we wrap up our journey through the world of folding e-bikes, it's clear that these bikes are not just about saving space. They're about opening up new possibilities. Each of these models, the Ride1Up Portola, the Himiway Horizon, and the Himiway Mars 2.0, all offer unique blends of features that cater to different lifestyles and riding preferences. Whether you're an urban dweller, a weekend explorer, or someone who loves the convenience of a compact bike, there's a folding e-bike out there that's perfect for you. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more e-bike insights and reviews. Check out the links below for a full list of folding electric bikes. And make sure to check out ebikingtoday.com for articles and valuable info on owning an electric bike. Until next time, remember to enjoy every journey, embrace every adventure, and always enjoy your ride.